Meet the Jirico CityCar, an innovative, foldable, two-seat electric vehicle designed specifically for urban driving. Created by the Spanish Jirico Driving Mobility Partnership, this compact marvel originated from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology Media Lab's CityCar initiative, finally finding its way into the commercial market. At just 5 feet in length, the Jirico CityCar is uniquely designed without doors. Instead, passengers enter through an upward-swinging windshield, adding to its futuristic appeal. What really sets this vehicle apart is its engineering. Each of its 4 wheels is equipped with its own motor for driving, steering, braking, and suspension, ensuring power is evenly distributed for a smooth ride. But that's not all. The CityCar's clever folding design allows up to 3 Jiricos to fit into a single parking space, making it the perfect solution for crowded city streets. Its wheels even offer zero-turn capability, giving it unmatched maneuverability. Introducing the Microlino Urban, a charming electric vehicle that nods to the beloved Isetta bubble car of the past. This retro-inspired ride combines classic style with modern efficiency, featuring a distinctive front door that opens like a refrigerator and a fabric top that lets you feel the breeze as you cruise through the city. Despite its compact size, the Microlino Urban offers ample space for 2 adults and their luggage, making it a practical choice for urban adventures. With a 6 kilowatt-hour battery, it delivers a range of 95 kilometers and can reach speeds of up to 90 kilometers per hour. Inside, you'll find a range of features, including LED lighting, interior heating, a sport mode, and dual screens to enhance your driving experience. Meet the Renault Twizy, an electrifying blend of motorcycle and car that defies easy classification. This unique electric quadricycle is designed to navigate urban landscapes with ease, boasting compact dimensions of just 2.33 meters in length and a little over 1 meter in width. The name Twizy combines twin, highlighting its 2-seat design, and easy, reflecting its user-friendly approach. Perfect for city commuting, the Twizy offers a range of up to 80 kilometers on a single charge, making it an ideal choice for short urban trips. Recharging is a breeze. Simply plug it into a standard household outlet, and in about 3.5 hours, you'll be ready to hit the road again. Plus, its scissor doors ensure easy access even in tight spaces. Let us know in comments if any of these cars will be a preferred choice for you. Subscribe to our channel for more such content.